I've got a big bowl of chicken wings, but these guys are not headed for the fryer, but rather the oven. Today I am making delicious herbed oven roasted chicken wings. It's going to be so delicious and I think you're going to love it. So I'll show you how I make them. Okay, so to make our oven roasted herb chicken wings, first and foremost, it starts off with my wings. So what I've done is I've rinsed them really well, and then I patted them dry. So I lined them on a paper towel, and then I patted them dry, extremely dry, just to make sure that they are nice and dry before they go into the oven, so that way they crisp up super nice. So now that I've done that, I've lined my baking sheet with a little bit of aluminum foil. And so now I'm just going to brush it with a little bit of oil. Just taking some extra precautions here to keep the chicken wings from sticking. So I'm also going to put some oil on the chicken wings. So, and this also just makes for an easier cleanup. You know, you can just toss the aluminum foil out. All right, great. So now it's time for my spice blend. So I have some herb de Provence. Sprinkle that over, and that's just a myriad of different herbs. I really love it. It really tastes good when you're baking or roasting anything, especially veggies and meat. And then I have some dried cilantro and some dried garlic powder. So sprinkle that right on. And I like to use the garlic powder as opposed to fresh garlic because I find that the garlic can sometimes burn while the chicken wings are cooking, and then you kind of have that burned garlic taste. So, and then I have some salt, some pepper, and some paprika. So good. Now I'm going to coat them with some oil and give them a toss. So I'm just going to dive right in and just toss them with my hands here. And as I toss them, I'm just being sure that I'm making sure that each chicken wing is nicely coated with the oil and with the herb mixture. We want them all to be flavored so nicely. And I'm giving them a little massage as I toss them, you know. Tenderize the meat a little bit. I love a great baked chicken wing. As a kid, my mom used to make them, and they seemed like it was the simplest thing ever, the way she prepared them. And they always tasted so good, and they always smelled so good when they were baking. So, beautiful. That's it. So now, with gooey hands, I'm just going to line these on my baking sheet. Just like that. And I try to line them so that they have enough space in between, if that's possible. But if not, then you can definitely line them side by side, but just be sure to keep an eye on them because you don't want these guys to burn. So during the cooking process, my oven is super high. It's on 200 degrees Celsius. It's almost 400 Fahrenheit. And it's super hot, so I want to be able to ensure that I get a nice crispy coating on my chicken wing, but I'm also going to turn them few times in between and just check on them because these are my little chicken wing babies. Beautiful. So got a few more going on my baking sheet here, lining them up. And this is a great mix for such a great, quick and easy party food. I know I'm making these for a group of my friends, and it's a big potluck tonight, and it's just such a super simple, quick, easy but delicious solution when you're making food for a crowd. Because it ensures that you're not going to be, you know, standing over the stove all day. Everybody loves a good fried chicken wing. I know I do, but, you know, it definitely takes some time to get them frying. All right, beautiful. Okay, so mine are a little closer together, kind of like the way my mom used to make them, so I think this is the right way. So now I'm going to give my hands a wash, and then I'm going to pop them in the oven. They're going to bake until they're nice and golden and crispy, and then it'll be time to enjoy our delicious baked herb chicken wings. So good. Okay, so my chicken wings have been baking. Smells so amazing. It's time to take them out of the oven. Oh wow, check that out. They are perfectly browned and so coated with delicious herbs and nice and crispy. So these guys are totally ready to serve. I'm going to pop them in a little to-go container because I'm going to a potluck tonight. So I hope my friends enjoy these. And that's how you make delicious herb baked chicken wings. So simple, but so good. So thank you so much for checking out this video for how to make oven baked herb chicken wings. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you give it a try for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time. See ya!